Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, today we want to talk about leverage. What is leverage and what is important about trading with leverage? Okay, I'll give you a simple analogy on CFD. CFDs are usually leverage products, okay, and they allow you to buy more than your initial capital. So give you an example. Let's say example, I want to buy this stock, ABC stock, and the leverage amount is 10%. Okay, the margin is 10%. Okay, you can actually put up initial margin of just 10%. Okay, this is what we call the initial margin. So for, let's say example, a stock that is $10,000, okay, all you need to put up is only 10% of this amount, which is in $10,000, 10% will be only $1,000. Okay, so with $1,000 you can actually buy up to 10%, 10,000 worth of this ABC stock. So this is what we call leverage. And in this case, if it's 10%, the leverage it will be 10 times. Correct or not? It will be 10 times. Say example, right now the margin level instead of 10% becomes, let's say, 20%. Okay, so now you need to put in 2,000 over here, and then your leverage becomes 5 times leverage. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so this is the importance of leverage. Leverage is a double-edged sword. Okay, so it can help you to make more money. It can also help you. It can also cause you to lose money. So let's give an example of how it can help to make or lose money. Let's say example, you buy $10,000 of these stocks, and this stock right now is trading at $1. Okay, it's trading at $1. So so in this case, right now you can buy up to $10,000 worth of this stock based on leverage of 20% and 5 times. Okay, and let's say example, this stock now goes to $1.20. Okay, $1.20. Before you go there, is when you buy 10,000 worth of share, $10,000 worth of stock at $1, you own 10,000 shares. Am I right to say that? Because $10,000 divided by $1, you own 10,000 shares. Correct. But right now you own 10,000 shares at $1, and then this stock actually goes to $1.20. Okay, so your 10,000 shares right now is worth how much? It's worth $12,000. Correct or not? Okay, it's worth $12,000. So at $12,000, what will be your profit? Your profit will be 12,000 minus of 10,000. So 12,000 minus of 10,000, your profit will be 2,000. Correct or not? Your profit will be 2,000, but 2,000 compared to your initial capital, because your initial capital is $2,000. Okay, so $2,000, and you put in $2,000 and you make $2,000, your returns is 100%. Correct or not? Okay, even though the underlying from here to here is only 20%, but because you use leverage, your returns based on cash becomes 100%. Okay, this is the power of leverage. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.